Hey everybody, my name is Bezad,
My name is Risa.
and we are the founders of Wonder Looper. And today we've got another video for you guys where we break down our latest creation, the new recycled cotton Foxfibre ringer tee. Another long title, but not as long as some of our other ones. Anyhow, there's a lot of details in this t-shirt and we're going to break it down for you. But before we do, we ask you guys for a little favor, and that's to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, especially if you like the type of content and the type of products that we make. So with that said, thank you very much. Hopefully you hit that button, and we're going to dive into it. Let's start off with, what the heck is a ringer tee?
Ringer tee is the type of t-shirts that we're wearing right now. And it is very iconic design. And usually the body of the fabric is a lighter colored solid base. And it's paired up with the contrast colored rib fabric on the collar and also the sleeves. So it has this very like retro, athletic, sporty vibes. And I think you still see this design, here and there today, but it definitely has this like vintage clothing vibe.
Right. And so we wanted to, create a ringer tee in the Wonder Looper way. So that's exactly what we did here. So first thing that we did was we used a recycled cotton body. So the body fabric is made from recycled cotton because we wanted to mimic the look of some of these vintage tees. And these vintage tees are often made with a blend of 50, you might have heard the term of 50-50. So it's a 50% cotton, 50% polyester blend, and they have this very soft and like heathered look to them. And that's what we recreated here with 100% cotton, because with the recycled cotton, and especially the type of recycled cotton that we use, is very, very soft. And it's very soft because the way we create it is through the yarn spinning process. So it's a recycled cotton that comes from that process. As they turn raw cotton material to yarn, they're spinning it down from very thick to very thin yarns. And as they do that, fluffs of cotton fly off into the air all around the factory. And this is the lightest, it's the softest, it's the airiest part of the cotton. And the factories, they vacuum this stuff up. They collect it because they know just how great this material is to make a yarn. And that's exactly what we did with this one.
Exactly. And so the benefit of using that type of recycled cotton is that you kind of mix in the recycled cotton with regular cotton that creates a very subtle slubby texture to the yarns. And this is not a exaggerated slub, computerized manufactured slub. It's very subtle, but it really does give the fabric a vintage look.
Yeah, it's got a nice soft and warm sort of feel to it as well. And now this fabric comes in two colors, and we call this one stone, and this is like a grayish warm oatmeal color. And then we have what I'm wearing right now, which is the sand, which is a little bit lighter tone, has a little bit of the gray and a little bit of that oatmeal color as well, but it's a little bit more on the lighter, warmer tone to it. So two color options, and weight wise, it comes in at 185 GSM. That's 5.5 ounces. It's the lightest t-shirt in our collection.
Yeah, it's definitely most light and comfortable. And for the contrast material, we used our favorite cotton, Foxfibre cotton. And for those of you who don't know, Foxfibre is a naturally colored cotton, and it's grown organically in the USA. And it is a beautiful cotton that Sally Fox works on for decades to basically make better so that the color is rich and beautiful. And at the same time, you can, the fiber is long enough to spin into yarns.
That's right.
So this is our favorite cotton, and we wanted to use as much of it in our collection, and so we're kind of sprinkling it in the ringer tee.
Right.
And for the sand colorway, we use Fox 70B mix. That means 70% brown fox fiber mixed in with ELS, extra long staple organic cotton. So that just kind of keeps the beautiful color very strong, while it is very nice and smooth and soft. Right. So for the stone colorway, we use the same mix, but with iron mordant added. So that means that we basically like cook the fiber in a water filled with iron rich water. So iron in the water reacts with tanning in the cotton to create this like darker, more grayish tone. And so there is no dye in this. Obviously, there's no dye in that one as well. So it's a dye-free, rich color that's used for the contrast.
Yeah. So recycled cotton on the body, dye-free colored cotton on the contrasting bits. So I think a very intentionally created ringer tee. So very, very nice. And you'll also notice that these are materials that you might have seen throughout our collection already. For example, the exterior of this t-shirt, the recycled cotton yarns, they're the same yarns that you'll find in our fleeced Foxfibre sweatshirts. And the ribbing here, you'll find that in the Foxfibre Suriyami tees, the 70B and the iron mordant as well. So I just like the idea of using a lot of the materials that we're very sort of known for at this point, and using them and creating different recipes with them. And I think this came out really nice.
Yeah, we like what we like.
We like what we like. That's it. So let's talk about what we like. And what I really like about this t-shirt, aside from it being very, very comfortable, is the fact that right now we have it in these 2 color options. Hopefully we'll have it in more color options down the line. But if you're the type of person who has a person that you can match with, it matches up really easily as well. So, if you want to coordinate your look, it's a very fun t-shirt to do that with, because they don't exactly match, they match enough, right?
Yeah, I think this is a good, like slightly different but coordinated look. And for those of you who also want to match within your own outfit, we have things that you can match with. So we have these knit caps made with Foxfibre, and this is iron mordant, and this is this is actually 80B, but it does have the some same colors, so it goes with your outfit. And on top of that, we are working on getting later in the season, we're getting the socks that matches basically exactly the t-shirt. So we use the same yarns for the main part of the sock, and for the stripes, we use the contrast color. So we're going to have the colorway that matches this hand as well. And you can, have a whole outfit made with
Foxfibre. Yeah. There you go. What do you like about this t-shirt, Risa?
Well, I think the thing I love about this t-shirt is, how we started this video. We were talking about how vintage and how sporty this t-shirt design is. And I think, for the most of our collection, we do a very classic, solid color, not, much, it's a very classic look in our t-shirt collection. So I do like this little pop of, fun in our wardrobe.
Yeah. I also think that these colors really work well, of course, with a lot of the different things that, if you want to be sporty, you can wear it sporty, but if you also want to match it with like your rugged wear, your dark indigo jeans, or like your army khakis, like these colors really pair well with that as well. So I like how much you can coordinate with these shirts. Now, before we close it out, I just want to talk a little bit more about some of the construction details here, because that's what we do. So if you take a look at the collar, you'll notice that it has a special construction. This is a binder collar. This is the type of collar that we use for all of our t-shirts. And this is where you take the rib fabric and it sandwiches around the base of the body fabric. So it creates a very, very nice, strong collar that doesn't stretch out. It doesn't warp or things like that. And you'll find that same construction detail here on the hem of the sleeves as well. On the side of the t-shirts, you're going to notice some side seams, but we use a flat seam construction to make those seams as flat as humanly possible. So it's sort of, it might emulate the look of a tube tee, but it does have side seams because, we have a wider size range that we want to accommodate with that. There's also one more thing that we did do with these t-shirts, and we rinse washed these. So these are pre-shrunk. You don't have to worry about shrinkage too much. Now, technically, there's probably some small amount of shrinkage left in there, but it should be minuscule, nothing that you really need to worry about. So you can follow the measurement charts on our website and find the right size that way. Now, if you want to get one of these t-shirts, they're going to be available very soon, starting on March the 15th. We've got a release information in the description below of this video, along with a complete listing of retailer availability. So these are going to be available at Wonder Looper retail partners worldwide, so you can get them directly from us or through our retail partners. We're going to try and make sure that distribution is spread out nicely, so you're going to be able to get one of these. And hopefully down the line, if you're watching this video in the future, we have some more colors available in this one. So I'm looking forward to creating some more options for you down the road. So I don't think I forgot anything. Risa, what do you think? Is there anything left to say?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I mean, we really enjoyed designing this, and I think it shows how much we love it. It's
Yeah.
going to be like great with denim jacket and jeans and stuff like that. So I'm really looking forward to putting on an outfit using this t-shirt.
Yeah, me too. And the Japanese summer is pretty hot, so I think I'm really going to be wearing this one quite a bit, and I hope you guys too. And I guess that's that. So we'll leave it there. Everybody, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you'd like to continue the conversation, of course, you can ask us questions in the comment section below, or join us every Sunday for our weekly live stream right here on YouTube. Just subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and you'll know every time we go live, where we answer your questions and we preview all kinds of new products and development. So it's a great way to see what's coming next. All right, we'll leave it there, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time. All right.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.